birthday, plant haul, gift haul, and an update from my parents. Hello everyone! Welcome back to a new video. I'm here with my parents and it was my birthday last weekend, so they are here in a camper, what is it called? Caravan?
Caravan.
Staying nearby. And some of you have asked about them and their health, so I thought I would share them. How are you doing?
Fine.
Absolutely fine, yes.
Yeah, happy.
I look very white next to them, so that says something.
We
Yeah.
went to the beach
Yes.
2 days, and that's enough to make us like this. Happy.
Yeah, so they're my dad's health has
Improved.
recovered
Yeah,
Improved?
absolutely. Yeah.
from last year when he had a very scary moment, and he looks very fit again. He's doing all his housework again, and
Yeah.
sometimes I have to tell him, like, please be a little bit careful. You're a little bit older now. Don't go chopping wood all the time. But yeah, seem to be doing well. And mommy too. They're staying outside in a nature camping ground.
Yeah.
Campground.
Campsite.
And hanging out with me for a week. So that's a really nice gift. So yay. Thank you for showing your faces.
Okay.
Let's get to the gifts that I have to show you guys and the plants.
And thank you for watching.
Yes! Okay, my parents have gone to do some grocery shopping. It's time to show you the things I got for my birthday. And one of them I haven't seen yet. It's a box from Jules, Plant with Jules. He kindly sent me a surprise box, which I'm excited to open. I also have a few other things to show you. Just random little gifts that I got. Well, not random. My boyfriend gave me these. This is noise cancelling earbuds, not big headphones, because I cannot handle noise very well. And I often have the big headphones on, but then my whole ear gets sweaty. So he kindly got me these. I'm still struggling with them a little bit, so I don't know if I recommend this brand. It came highly recommended, but I haven't made friends with it yet. But it's very helpful to have a smaller something to noise cancel. This is the brand, in case you want to look it up, or if you have feedback for me why it's not working properly for me. It often just stops mid music and it doesn't fit in my ear the best. So the other thing I got, there's a few more gifts that are on the way because the post got a lot delayed with the heat wave here. But I got this thing I'm so excited about. This is nothing to do with plants, but I guess I could use it for plants. This is a little light that you can put around your neck and then switch on. And then if I'm doing embroidery, I can see what I'm doing for once, because I always embroider on the sofa. And yeah, that doesn't work very well in the dark. And it's pink. It's very cute. So I'm very excited for this. Hello, I'm just popping in here from today, it's Wednesday, because something else arrived in the mail that relates to embroidery. And I thought I would show you quickly what I'm working on currently. This one is super cute. It is cats and plants. As you can see, the cross stitch itself doesn't make the cats stand out as much yet. This is a little monstera, but then when you do the back stitch, then all of a sudden everything starts to pop. Like this is a sleeping little kitty that will get its eyes and outline soon. And then the other one that I've worked on for a year is this one, and all the cross stitches are done. I just have to do the back stitch, and the back stitch is a little bit annoying. So by the time I start to have to do the back stitch, like you can see here, I've done it a little bit, then I start to look for new projects because I personally enjoy doing the cross stitch a lot more than the back stitch. It's a lot harder or something. So if you're in the UK, I became an affiliate with the brand that created that project called Letty Stitch. You can use my code ROOS for a discount. And I was talking to them about their new design, which I think is very, very cute. And they offered to send it to me because I was saying, like, I'm thinking about asking my family for it for my birthday, but I think I worded it a little bit vaguely and it may have sounded like I'm asking them for this kit, which I didn't, but then they offered to send it to me anyway. This is satisfying. So what should be in here? Oh, wait! There's two in here. Okay, I'm glad I filmed this. I was like, I don't know if I should include it. Oh, there's more. Oh no, this is adorable. So if you're doing bigger projects, it is very handy, or also smaller projects now, but it's very handy to have needle magnets. And I use quite a lot of them. Wait, where's the other one? Here. Because you can just let go of your needle and it will clip onto it. And also if you lost your needle on your lap or on the ground or something, you can use the little magnet to find it again. And so this is also a needle magnet, just a lot cuter than the other one. Oh, this is adorable. And then, so the package that I told them that I love is this. It's a little ghost. So it's like a Halloween thing, but not scary Halloween. I like cute Halloween, but not scary. And what I love most is embroidering lots of different colors in one thing. Because if it's all very similar colors, like if it is a more beautiful like painting kind of thing or realistic kind of thing, then it gets confusing for my brain because the colors are so similar that you don't see the difference. And with this one, I figured there's lots of different colors, so that's amazing. But then they sent another one. The beach bar, strandbar. That's Dutch, strandbar. And I live on the beach. So that's really, really cute and kind of them as well. And if you look, these kits, at first when I started embroidering again, doing cross stitch again, I thought these kits are so expensive. They're like usually 40, 50 euros or dollars, depending on where you are. And then I got some digital prints and I had to buy all the different colors for it. And that was as expensive as a whole kit, only it was like a small design. So I realized that just the materials are worth that money. And here you can see all the materials, all the bright colors. So nice. So I am very grateful to Letty Stitch. If you are in the UK and you want to use my discount code, you can. I will put the link. I have like an affiliate link with them as well in the description. I will add it because I always have my affiliate links in there. But I wanted to include this before we get to the plans because I was very excited for this to arrive on the day of this video going out. It's like 1:30 now, so I'm gonna quickly edit this in. Let's get back to the rest of the video. Other gifts are on... Oh, other gifts I'm gonna show you in the greenhouse. Welcome to the greenhouse. There is one gift that I wanted to show you here, and it was 5 plants, lupine plants? Lupine in Dutch. And I was gonna show you the pots, but my mom is here, and she's very helpful, so we just potted the whole thing up into a big pot to keep them happy. These are amazing, beautiful garden plants. If you don't know, I love the shape of the leaves as well as the flowers. And the flowers that I'm getting are light pink and purple. And I want these to go in the garden, but unfortunately the snails love them. So I've planted a few from Farmer Gracie before and they got ravished by the snails. So we planted them in a pot for now to hopefully have them grow a little bit bigger first. And then maybe I'll be able to plant them in the garden. So that's a really nice gift from my boyfriend's parents. And I'm very excited to see them grow because I was very sad when the ones I had just died fully. So we have a full pot now to grow again. Plus I put some caladiums in the background to show off. They're looking really good as well. That will be a separate video soon as well because most of them have tons of leaves right now. I also got a gift card for Sprinkler, which is an organic plant web shop here in the Netherlands. So I haven't picked out what I want to grow yet. I'm thinking maybe some climbing plants and some like what is it called? Inheems? Native plants for in the garden. So the garden is going to be really nice this year. It already is. Many people at my birthday party said that the garden looked so nice. So that was very cool to see. And then also, very excited about this. I bought this for myself. So I guess it's a gift for myself. Does that count? This is Hoya Rincy Borneo, which is a Hoya that I used to own, but not for a long time now because my big plant unfortunately died. It had root rot, and then these are known to be difficult to root, unfortunately. and I saw them at the markets. I've been pointing them out in my Botanica videos for quite a while. And then my friend Felice sent me a link of Marktplaats of a seller that had them for a lot less money than these normally go for. Normal for a plant like this would be like 25 euros. I've also seen cuttings of 45 that are not rooted yet. So this one was 6 euros. And then with shipping, just under 10. I am so excited. It's grown. This was a new leaf it was growing, and it made it through transport. I don't know if it comes across, but this Hoya has the most insane shimmer in the leaves. It's really hard to show. I guess it's working out a little bit. Excuse my nails, by the way. I repotted some plants for a family member who's sick, and I messed up my birthday nails right away. But they're all different color magnetics, and they make me very happy. And so does this plant. So the little Rinsey Borneo is back in my collection. I'm planning to make more Hoya content because they're doing so well, but I'm also planning to do collaboration videos with my creator friends, like I did a few years ago, like our favorite Hoya, our favorite philodendron, our favorite anthurium. So if you have a request for which genus we should do first, please let me know in the comments, because I have messaged all of my friends to do another collaboration. I want this space to be for all of us. You know, I love watching my friends' content as well, so why not put it all together? Now it's time to open Jules' box, and he just said, can I send you something for your birthday? And I said, of course, yes, please. So let's see what is in here. Oh, be friendly. This is what I see when I open. Sticker, an envelope, and some seeds. That's always good. Plant seeds. We can use those. Hip hip hooray! Aw. Thank you, Jules. This is adorable. Let's see what's inside. What did he put in? Paper. The house is clean, so we're gonna try and not make a mess. No promises though. If you've been here before, you know I'm bad at not making a mess. Look at this. There's so much in here. Okay, wait. Should I get stuff out first? Oh, I already opened it. Wait, what is it? This is a big one. I see variegated leaves. Wow. I thought he sent me one or something, not the whole box full. Also, I am not prepared. I don't have any opening stuff. Scissors, nothing. Wait. Okay, I got scissors. Whoa, fluff. It's adorable. Wait. It's a variegated alocasia. Jules is really good at those. And he knows I'm not yet, so I guess it's a challenge. Alocasia Mycorrhiza Splash. And it's a big one, look. I guess this is a perfect time for alocasia because it's summer here, so it's warm. And the move means that they get less stressed. Look at this beautiful leaf too. That's so generous, Jules. You don't have to give me your plants. He's running a business, a newly started business, so make your money, my friend. Don't give stuff away. Ah. Let's see, this little one. Oh, cute little baby. I don't see a label, but it's this. It looks kind of like a dragon scale mint. Is that correct, Jules? Let me know in the comments. Very cute. Very small. I hope I can keep this happy because I'm kind of going through this fast because my parents are currently at the shop and they're gonna be back soon. So, and also it's quite late, so I don't have that much time to film before the light goes fully. Because I spent all day talking to my friends. It's been a busy day. And that's also why you're getting this video and not the one I promised, because this weekend was my birthday. Yes, I said that at the beginning. This weekend was my birthday, and so I didn't have much time for editing, unfortunately. But I am making progress with the Hoya video. It's gonna be good, and I'm excited. Oh, it's a little cactus. This is very well packaged. Can you see there's elastic bands over it to keep it in the pot. Very smart. It's a variegated cactus. There we go. I have one of these in the greenhouse, but this is more yellow. Mine is more pink. It's very pretty. You might be able to see the... the flags are too high. I should have done this standing up so you can see the flags behind me. This says, oh, Alocasia Poly Pink. Whew. I've heard of poly being really hard to grow. So Jules is, I guess, throwing me a challenge. I can't even keep my normal Alocasia alive, but he's like, here, have some really nice variegated ones. They will teach you up the stakes so that I can increase my skills. Come on out. Oh, it's pretty. It's hard to see. It's in the fluff. Perfect. Last plant. Ooh, this looks like a yellow. Yes. This says Alocasia Gagayana aurea. And it's this one. I love yellow variegated plants, so this is really nice. This new leaf is beautiful too. It's sizing up and it's just in moss, so I hope I can... I'm trying this new method. I don't know if I made content about that yet, but trying the moss and leca method that Sydney Plant Guy has been showing off as well. So I guess we're putting this in a little pot with some leca at the bottom. There's roots growing at the bottom of the pot. Nice! And then we have one more thing. I'm feeling very rushed and I don't even think I need to, but that's why it's going so fast. I'm also out of breath a little bit. Ooh, I think it's seedlings. Anthurium, right? Anthurium vici. Look how small. Tissue culture. Now, I personally have not grown this one successfully. I think partly because my heart lies with the queen. If we turn you... Where is it? Oh, she's hiding behind the mint tie. You can't really see. There. There. So my heart lies with the queen and I have not had good success with the king. This is the king anthurium. But I will try. Very cute. A very nice gift, Jules. Thank you so much. I have work to do now to try and get Alocasia to be happy in my house. But I really appreciate it. Okay, I should take some deep breaths. It's been a bit of a stressful period, so I've been sleeping a lot more. I was actually really good with the energy levels, but with this business, this birthday business, and also a little bit of chaos behind the scenes, and a close friend who is very sick right now, that has taken a lot of my energy. I've been, not themselves, but I've been taking care of their plants, and just this weekend I was like, these plants need to be repotted. So suddenly I was repotting plants everywhere in the heat. It's been a heat wave as well, which my body doesn't like. I don't know about you, but... So I'm gonna do some deep breaths. This is my favorite thing to do. Let's do it together. Inhale through your nose. And then sigh it out like you're a teenager and you hate life. One more. That tells the body that it's okay, that we can relax. So you can use that. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this very chaotic random video. Thank you also to my parents for showing up and telling you a little bit about themselves. And for you guys for asking about them, because I got quite a few questions about how they're doing right now. So I appreciate you so much. And I will see you in the next video, which will hopefully be the Hoya Care video or one of the collaboration videos. I'm excited for all of them. And also for all the new growth that is happening. The plants are growing so well right now with the heat. It's exploding. So take care of yourself. Deep breaths, my friends. Mickey is now scratching on the pole. It's chaos over here, but I love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Yay.
Yay, thank you.
Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.